for today, the first ritual is all about creating space. Creating space may not just be about creating a physical space. It may be about creating the time to just set aside 10 or 15 minutes in a very busy schedule to create some space for you to be still, perhaps. For you to just take the time to invest solely in you. So a couple of little things that you can do to, obviously, if you're going to create a physical space like I have here, you will want to clear the space energetically. So even if it's in a corner of your bedroom or a little spot in your garden, whatever, wherever it may be that you're going to create your space, one of the ways that you can clear it is by using sound. So if you don't have something to clear and make sound, you can obviously get something online, and I will be recording a little clearing for you too. So if you're clearing with sound, perhaps you have a chime, and you can just chime it around your sacred space. Your intention is another way that you create space, so you intentionally create this space, so you can use your thoughts and intentions to just literally declare, this is going to be my sacred space for the next 14 days, however big or small that may be. So another way that you can do a clearing is perhaps lighting some sage, actually physically clearing the area with a smoke smudging. You can use your voice to clear the area. You can use your voice to declare, this is going to be laid down as a sacred space. You can also grab yourself a favorite crystal if you have. This one is clear quartz, and I'm pretty sure that's one of the first crystals that the guide suggests that we use. This is an amplifier, so it will just amplify everything else that we do. Grab yourself some essential oils. I recommend a really good brand so that they're not adulterated, something that you know, like, and trust is good. And frankincense is one of the first essential oils that we will use as a little bit of initiation into this 14 days. The way that I suggest you use it, if you're using it for clearing and during this time, is obviously just taking a little bit, and you can rub it into your hands, activate your energy. You can breathe it in, a couple of nice deep breaths, grounding your energy. You can apply it to the back of your neck for safety and grounding, just really relaxing your energy and your nervous system. And then obviously clearing your space. You can use your hands that have the essential oil on to create a clearing, declare a boundary. This is my sacred space for the next 14 days. Another little ritual, you can use a room clearing spray, and you can even make a spray using your favorite essential oil, but I will just do a clearing even over all of my instruments, my aura. Oh, it smells absolutely beautiful. So that is just a lovely way to ground your energy. If you did want to use sound, you can also use something that's a little, this is a little seed shaker. You may be able to even make that
Another
with a glass jar and some
that
rice
you can
seeds.
clear
So
your
you can
space.
just they can clear up the energy. And then another one of my personal favorites, you may have a pendulum. You can also create a pendulum with a weighted object on a necklace or a piece of string. So if I want to clear the energy of this room, creating a sacred space, I would just ask my pendulum to do that for me. And clearing the energy all around me and then showing me when it is complete. Beautiful. Beautiful. So you don't have to do all of these, but this is just a couple of ideas of ways that you can create a sacred space, a space where you can be still, where you can enter into guided meditation. It's really good practice to make sure that you're not going to be disturbed if you're going to do anything meditative, and basically you're ready to start. So this is all you need to do really for day one, is to create a sacred space for you to explore. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you have some ideas that you can get together to create your sacred space. And I am actually going to lead you into just a little bit of mindfulness clearing so that you can be in the right mind frame to start your journey. So find yourself this nice comfortable space where you're not going to be disturbed for about the next 10 minutes, and just a place where you can relax. If you have your crystal ready or your sound, you can clear your space, prepare it all for yourself. Bring your essential oils, bring your crystal, and start to formulate your intentions. Alrighty, so I will just see you in the next video.